class action lawsuit over the state's handling of Medicaid unwinding in the state of Florida will proceed. U.S. District Judge Howard agreed that a suit can proceed as a class action lawsuit. She originally set a trial start date of May 13th, and then at the request of the judge, that has now been postponed. We will keep you posted when the arguments continue. At issue is the state's handling of Medicaid unwinding for the more than 5 million Medicaid enrollees in the state of Florida, namely the lack of notice before somebody was cut from their Medicaid. The lawsuit was first filed in August of 2023, revamped in January of 2024. It takes issue with the process Florida was using starting in the spring of 2023 to redetermine eligibility for benefits. The lawsuit says there was a lack of proper notice about cutting Medicaid benefits, and that violated due process and federal Medicaid law. Notices sent to people lacked things like household income information, standards, even the reason for ineligibility. It was called a constitutionally inadequate process. Nationally, about 22.8 million people have been cut from Medicaid during the unwinding process. The numbers in Florida are quite high. Florida alone has terminated 1.8 million people from their Medicaid. That's number 2 in the nation behind Texas. They have seen a net enrollment decline of over 22.8%. 65% of terminations are for procedural reasons, and only 32% of renewals were administrative or automatic. Like we said, nationwide, the number is 22.8 million that have been cut from Medicaid during the unwinding process. 69% were cut for procedural reasons. 60% of renewals were administrative or automatic. The net decline in Medicaid enrollment nationwide ranges from 35.3% in Utah to only 0.5% in the state of North Carolina. We're going to keep an eye on that class action lawsuit in the state of Florida. In the meantime, you can read a little bit more about it. We link to some articles in the description below. We also give you that Kaiser Family Foundation Unwinding Data Tracker, which is where we get those national statistics and statistics out of the state of Florida for people terminated from Medicaid during unwinding.